Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're breaking down how to apply for the American Express Everyday Card. This card is a fantastic option for everyday purchases, offering rewards on groceries, dining, and more, perfect for building your credit while earning perks. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more money-saving tips. First off, let's talk eligibility. Before diving in, check if you qualify. You'll typically need a good credit score, around 700 or higher, a stable income, and to be at least 18 years old with a valid U.S. address. American Express is pretty straightforward, but it's always smart to review their official requirements on their website to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Head to the American Express website. Just search for American Express Everyday Card in your browser, and you'll land on their homepage. Look for the Apply Now button. It's usually front and center. Once you're there, click that button to start the application. You'll be asked to fill out a form with basic info like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment details. Take your time here, double-check everything for accuracy to speed up the process and prevent rejections. If there are any promotional offers or additional card options, like adding authorized users, you can select them at this stage. American Express might also ask about your annual income to assess your ability to pay, so be honest. After reviewing your details, hit Submit. Applications are often processed in minutes, but full approval can take up to 30 days. Keep an eye on your email and the Amex app for updates. A quick tip. If you're not approved right away, don't get discouraged. Work on improving your credit score and try again later. Also, compare this card with others to make sure it fits your spending habits. And there you have it. Applying for the American Express Everyday Card is simple and rewarding. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.